welcome. We have the regular league, the football freestyle world champion, Mr. Garnier.
Hello everybody, how are you? Good? Are you ready for today and tomorrow? Are you ready for today and tomorrow? We're gonna have fun, we're gonna have fun. First of all, really appreciate to come in India, to be back in India. I'm really glad to see all of you. It's gonna be crazy. For me, it's cool to be here and to see like a lot of freestylers. I think I never see as much as freestylers as you are today. So please make some noise for you guys.
That feels good!
But what I can teach you is the way to do these tricks. Okay, is the way to understand. So for example, you can freestyle everywhere, right? You can freestyle in the street, you can freestyle, for example, in your garden, you can freestyle at your training spot, but tomorrow we're gonna freestyle at the Red Bull Street Style, right? And you're gonna freestyle in front of many people. Hey, many people, how are you? You good? Yeah! See, they are reacting. So basically, these people are ready for you, okay? So if I get a boat like that, right? And I'm going in the middle, and I'm like this, okay? I'm playing for myself, and I don't get energy. But if I do that, hello everybody, how are you? You already get the reaction of people, right? So every time you enter to the stage, don't enter like that, but enter open, like smiling, welcoming. That's the most important thing, right? So that's the first thing to do. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I'm a freestyler, right? And I'm playing against you, right? I'm watching you and you are freestyling. In my mind, I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm counting like that. And when it's my time, I'm going boom. And I start at the right time, right? So that's what I'm gonna teach you now. So like my friend here, he got the camera, he's gonna film everything, he's gonna give you all the video. So good luck for that. And we're gonna start like that. So what I'm gonna do is like take the ball, okay, and I'm gonna count, right? So to start, we're gonna do 3 simple. You do whatever you want. You can juggle the ball, you can make around the world, but we're gonna do on the beat. So basically, it's gonna be like this. Put the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna try to play on the 8 count all the time, right? And I play here, right? So what you're gonna do is really simple. It's like 1 by 1, I'm gonna count for you, and you have to go in the middle of the circle, right? But with an attitude. You can slide, you can go from here, you can slide on the ball, whatever, but it should be on the count. So it's gonna be like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Time. Play. You play, you play, you play. You finish, you go out, okay? So each one by one you're gonna do it, okay? Ready? DJ? What I'm gonna tell you. 80% of what people feel is not what they see, but what they hear. Okay? So basically, if you don't play on the music, you miss 80% of the feeling of the people. That's why I won the first Red Bull Freestyle. It's not because I was better than the rest of the people, because I was playing with the music. It's really simple. You're just enjoying the music, you put the music in your body, and you try to go in the middle at the right moment, right? So what you're gonna do now, I see a lot of freestylers, they don't take care about the way they go inside and the way they go outside, right? So I want you to try to find a way to go inside. So for example, you can go inside like really simple, you can go like this. That's the way. You can throw the ball, like this, okay? You can slide, you can do a Michael Jackson, you see? Yeah, you can do whatever you want, right? So try to find a way to go in the middle, do your stuff, and go out, okay? Okay, I try to do triple around the world. And the ball go. Instead of putting my hand on the floor, I just do this. I start with something else, right? So play with the elements. Maybe you pass the ball to someone on the top, he give it back. You know? Play with the element. Don't stay focused on the usual stuff. Try to play with what is around you, right? Okay, so what I want now is really important. I want you to pay attention the way you're gonna go in the middle, but I also want you to pay attention. Thank you for calling. I want also you to pay attention in the way you go out. Okay? For example, you do tricks, but you live like that. See you. Now, I want you to, you do tricks, okay? And maybe you watch someone and you say, hey, I want to battle you, my friend, right? So it's like the way I want you to express is really important. People need to feel that. DJ, you just feel the energy, and let's say, I do rumble. The music is gonna change. 6, 7, 8, boom. And I do, okay? And now I find a transition. Like that, you know, it's really important to like listen to it and play on it, right? Take your time. Who wants to try? Okay, last thing, because more the game coming, more I see you forgot the stuff. I just want to reply. That's simple stuff, but that's essential rules you can apply on the Red Bull Freestyle. Is the way you enter to the pitch, do your move, and the way you go back. Nobody take care about that, but trust me, if you do that, you're gonna get a lot of advantage. Why? Because everybody's gonna watch you. That's it. Because if you enter with style, it's a way to say to everybody, hello, my name is Sian, watch me. That's it. That's the way you enter. If you're going like that, nobody will pay attention, trust me. Nobody, because you are watching your ball. So if I say hello to you, and I look here, we don't speak to each other, right? But if I do that, hello my friend, you good? That's the way you connect with people. Because don't forget, freestyle is a way to connect with people. If you don't connect with people, you're not gonna go further in the freestyle, right? It's really important. Second thing, take your time. Sometimes you are rushing the move, doing like this, you're rushing. Sometimes just take your time, make it clean. Okay? You miss the ball, take your time. Okay? Play with the element. Okay, you miss the ball go up, drop the ball, up, exactly, up, and you play, you see? You have to play with the element, don't be rushed, play with the element, please with the flow, and don't forget to play on the beat. Most important, play on the beat, okay? So we don't have too much time to continue, but any more question, what we're gonna do with my friend here, we're gonna create a group, maybe on Instagram, and any question you want to ask me, I'm gonna reply, okay? But don't forget what I say is the most, is what make me where I am here is these little details. I'm not better than anyone else, I'm not better than you, it's just I understand some details will make a big difference, okay?